Does my will need a residuary clause? Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. Yes, your will needs a residuary clause. Residuary clause. Yes. Why? Should I start with the purpose? I'll tell you what it is. Well, the residuary clause takes care of any part of the estate that was not specified through specific gifts. I'll give you a couple of examples. Say I have 4 children, A, B, C, and D. I give A the sum of $20,000, B the sum of $20,000, C the sum of $30,000, and D the sum of $30,000. If my math is correct, that adds up to $100,000. And if this will doesn't say anything else, the person, right, the testator, took care of $100,000 of estate assets. What if the person was worth $2 million? What happens to the other $1.9 million? Well, that's the residuary clause. And it would say something along the lines of, I leave to, a church, a hospital, a school, or to other relatives, or to all of my children equally, or to my grandchildren, right? A class of people, or a category of people, or a specific entity, or a specific person. So I took care of A, B, C, and D, and then I could say, and all of the rest of my money, wherever it is and in whatever amount, I give to person E. Also, so that's why you need a residuary clause. Now, another reason might be you have a house or a property and you say, I'm going to give this property to my son. And I have a second property, I'm going to give that to my daughter. And you have 2 children. But maybe you really own 8 properties, or you own the properties, but you also have cash in the bank or brokerage accounts. The residuary clause, residuary, covers any asset not otherwise specified. And the purpose of this residuary clause, and I'm going to say it every chance I can, is to avoid partial intestacy, right? If you don't take care of everything, how would the rest go? And it would default to the rules of intestacy of your estate, as if you had died without a will. So some people even get rid of everything, dispose of all of their assets through this clause, residuary, rather than even specifying things. So it's by choice, by application, by circumstance. If you would like to speak with me about your will or about any estate planning issue, please go to frankbrunolaw.com.